afternoon po. Ipapasurvey lang po ako. What do you think po about prostitutes?
About the prostitute. First of all, we should not condemn prostitutes. They are human beings, and since we do not know why they have fallen into that kind of a job, because it's the oldest profession, so we don't know why. Therefore, the first thing that we should as Christians, as Catholics, is not to condemn them, then to understand the difficulties that they are in. Maybe it's financial difficulties of their families, not necessarily of their own. And then thirdly, we should try to help them in a way that we can. Like, for example, there are houses, religious houses, where they can go, but they need to be supported so that they will be taught other income-generating jobs, so that they will not go back to prostitution as a way of livelihood. So, una-una, dapat unawain natin sila, huwag natin silang pupundinahin, dahil hindi natin alam kung bakit sila naging prostitute. Tapos, may pag-asa pa na makaalis sila dun sa sitwasyon na yon kung tutulungan natin sila makapagbagong buhay at maihanap ng bagong pamamaraan ng paghahanap buhay.
Sige po. Yun
Bakit
lang.
may balak ka mag-prostitute?
Ay, hindi po.
May tinutulungan kang prostitute?
Hindi po kasi nagkano po kami for the case study po. Yun po.
Eh, Father, ano po sa tingin niyo? Kasalanan po ba yun ng gobyerno o kasalanan po ng isang pamilya, ng tao o gobyerno?
Ganito, no? Sa ibang countries, legalize ang prostitution. Ngayon, why did they legalize prostitution? Kasi mababa ang moralidad nila. Mababa ang moralidad nila, and they don't want to teach their citizens self-control. Kaya para hindi na mahirapang magturo sa mga tao na magtimpi, ang ginagawa na lang, bayaran na lang, kung wala na kailang bayaran dyan, para walang problema. So, it's a way out, but there is an illegal and immoral way out for government to legalize prostitution on that ground alone, ano? Na para hindi na magka-problema, hindi na masira ibang mga babae, eto na lang, mga bayaran na lang, gamitin, that use them. And human beings are not supposed to be used. They're supposed to be respected.
Sige po, yun lang po.
Wala kayong balak, ha?
Wala.
Ano mangyari, ha?
Wala po. Sige po. Thank you po.
Yung introduction.